And today's find is this beautiful 2001 Dodge Ram extended cab long bed SLT plus LARAMIE with 5.9 and 37,000 actual miles. Yes, you heard that correct. One owner, clean title, CARFAX certified, SLT LARAMIE, 37,000 actual miles, clean title, CARFAX certified. This truck was owned in California all of its life. 100% stock, original shape, never been off-road. This truck has zero rust and zero corrosion. The undercarriage of the truck looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. Loaded with every option you can think of. Leather interior, dual power seats, heated seats, premium sound, 6-passenger seating, all power options, and 37,000 actual miles. Same owner drove this truck since it was new. The interior of this truck is 100% in excellent condition. There's no rips. There's no cracks. There's no wear spots, really, at all. It is like new. It's a non-smoker. All the plastic is in excellent condition. I don't think anybody ever sat in the back seats. When we viewed the truck, the seats were up in that position, and I think they've never been used. Nor the tools. The jack has never been on the ground at all. Truck still has that new truck smell. Check out the jam right here. There's no scratches, there's no peels. The rubber is all intact. There's no rips in it whatsoever. As for the headliner, is in excellent condition as well. There's no sagging, there's no stains, there's no leaks, spots on it, there's no cigarette burns whatsoever. It's got the overhead consoles right here. Now, as for the dash, it had a dash cover on it that we just removed. So the dash is 100% sound. There's no cracks or common issues whatsoever. The lighter has never been used. 4-wheel drive. Ashtray has never been used. Cup holders are all intact. This long bed Ram has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed whatsoever. It's never had a bed liner. It's never had, well, it did have a bed liner. I had the bed liner removed. So these little scuffs that you see are from the bed liner rubbing on it. But take a look. It's never had anything. It's got some leaves I'll have cleaned up. Rear slider. Take a look at the jams, how clean they are. There's the tailgate. We just did full service on the truck. The suspension is 100% stock. Same goes for the engine. I just installed a brand new set of 33-inch BF Goodrich in the KO3 model, which is the new version of the KO2s. And they are in 10-ply rating with fresh mount and balance. I did power steering flush, brake fluid flush, fresh AC charge, New fuel filter, new air filter, topped off all the fluids. The truck is dialed 100%. There's no oil leaks whatsoever. And this truck has a 55 block. So none of the worries about a 53 block. This is a 55 block. Everything has been inspected. Every switch, there's the seat top, front, up, front, down. There's the rear up of the seat, rear of the seat down, forward, backward, full up, full down. Everything has been inspected. Everything has been checked. Every button, every switch. I forgot to show you the passenger side. So let's go to the passenger side. I don't see any major dents, scratches, rock chips whatsoever as well. Here's the, make sure I'm zoomed out. Have all the original manual and books for the truck. Unfortunately, it came with just one key. I was promised if they found the other key, it would be sent to me. But as we all know, these keys are very cheap. This truck doesn't even have trailer brakes. It's never really hauled anything. Now let's go and get this thing started. And let me turn the AC on. It's got 37,741 miles. Factory original stereo.
Like it did on me. It's 98.7 The Ball.
I love the dial for the speakers here to adjust them front and rear. Heated seats, low and high modes. I already showed you the cup holders. All the lights for the dash, as you see, off, on. 37,741 original miles. Let's do the one finger test, I call it. Left, right. As you see, steering wheel's nice and tight. There's no play in it whatsoever. Turn that off. Let's turn the AC on and check out the AC. Might as well. As you see, the truck is cold. Trying to find the slot in the middle. It is blowing freezing cold air. I guarantee you this is in the low 30s. I need to get in the right position for the right. There we go. It is ice cold, freshly recharged. New air filter, new fuel filter. All the fluids are serviced. I think proved the point there. Truck has no blow-by. All original body panels. Batteries freshly serviced, as you see. truck is a non-smoker, factory exhaust. Let me turn it off so you can hear me and I don't have to speak loud. All right. The frame on this truck is like brand spanking new. So if we look right here, you should be able to see the stamping on the frame, on the panels, on the arms. See, there's no corrosion at all. This thing has no oil leaks, completely serviced. Trying to show how there's no crust, there's no issues on this thing at all. If you've been looking for a second gen, that's just a cream puff basically, that's super clean, that's as close to a brand new truck, you found it. This is it. 37,000 actual miles, California truck, rust free, that's been completely serviced and gone through, new tires, fluids, etc. You found it. There's original books, manuals, etc. that comes with the truck. Now let's talk about the good stuff. I can finance this truck and qualify it for new car financing, so up to 84 months if needed. A lot of you comment on here. I'm not saying you need to finance it for 84 months, but having the ability to finance it up to 84 months, just as a new truck, allows you to have pretty low payments and make it an affordable, whether it's a toy, whether it's an investment purchase, or whether it's just your daily driver and it keeps your payments low. You can always pay extra. There's no early payoff penalty and pay it off at any time. You can finance it for 72 months, for 60 months. You can just pay cash if you got the cash. But you don't need to buy a new truck for $100,000+ and have all the computers and all the emission stuff and etc. I'm not gonna talk about why this truck is worth what it's worth, because if you know, you know, and if you don't, you need to get educated somewhere else. Second, I can help you ship this Ram right from my showroom, right to your front door, anywhere in the country or Canada. Sold a couple trucks last month to Canada. We're back to the Canada market. But whether you live in Hawaii, whether you live in Alaska, whether you live in New York, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Arizona, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, anywhere in the country, I can ship this truck. We deal with preferred list of shippers on a daily basis, and we vet them. We do the whole thing for you. This can be a very easy transaction, and I help you right through it from A to Z. We got well over 95 pictures, detailed pictures on the website. Please take a look at them. This is the real deal. Visit our website, jordanmotorsports.com. Would love to make your dream come true and find a good home for this beautiful 37,000 mile, rust-free LARAMIE long bed 5.9